Exclusive interview with our China correspondent, Selena Wang. NIO CEO William Li remained bullish about grabbing market share.
COVID-19 has greatly impacted our supply chain in China and overseas for the first quarter, especially in February and early March. But our supply chain has been restored since late March, and mostly back to normal in April. So far, supply chain and manufacturing are back to normal. In terms of demand, most offline businesses in China were closed in February and March, but they have started reopening in April. So our sales orders have been back to pre-COVID-19 levels since late April, and the virus impact on NIO has been gradually eliminated. But for the long run, the virus impact on the overall auto industry is quite big.
整个这个疫情对整个汽车产业的影响还是非常非常的大的。
Do you have any estimates for this whole year's delivery and sales?
我们现在没有这个。
We will not adjust the sales estimate we made earlier this year because of COVID-19, as we have seen our orders continuously grow since April. So, we are optimistic about our full-year sales estimate. Our estimate for second quarter delivery would be 9,500 to 10,000, which will be a record. We think the growth of our orders should be sustainable, as we will be delivering our new car, the EC6. We plan to deliver our new battery packs in the fourth quarter and turn the new business model, battery as a service, into reality in the second half of the year.
新的这样的一个产品的销售和服务的模式。
And at the rate of last year's cash burn, that $1 billion investment would only last less than a year. So what is the long-term plan here when it comes to fundraising?
这个总体上来说的话呢，我们认为。
Of course, we may raise more capital, but overall, we think our capital is sufficient.
我们觉得我们的资金的支持保障是充分的。
You said on the earnings call that you could list your NIO new China entity potentially in mainland China. What are your plans around that? How soon could that actually happen?
从这个 NIO China 的一个
NIO China meets the criteria for being listed on China's tech board, so there's a possibility, but we don't have a plan so far. But it's possible if we want to do so. We will make reasonable arrangements based on the changes in capital markets and the company's development.
和公司发展的情况会去做一个合理的安排。
Volkswagen officially announced that it's a 50% stake in the parent company of JAC Motors, which is NIO's manufacturing partner. So how would this ownership impact NIO? And are you concerned about this competition?
那这个 JAC 毫无疑问是我们很长期的一个战略。
JAC is definitely our long-term strategic partner. We believe Volkswagen's investment in JAC will benefit the development of the EV industry in Anhui and Hefei. Volkswagen investing in a battery manufacturing company is very positive news for us, because I think the supply chain is very important for companies like us.